Good morning, and welcome to this Gardener Gone Wild episode. As you can see, I'm in some trees. And that's enough of stating the obvious. 'Cause I can. What else would I do? Shooing! Kawa kawa. So we are back here on this little bus stop on Glenmore Street. My bus is only a few minutes away, and yeah, obviously I finished up my day at work. I finished up my week at work. It's been a lovely, nice, sunny week, and it makes a change from last week where the weather wasn't so inviting, shall we say. So anyway, it's been a nice day, nice week, and I hope it's a nice week next week as well. Overall, it's been good fun, and I guess I'll see you then. Just a short one for now, so thank you for watching. And please remember to like, subscribe, and continue watching these videos. That's all for now from The Gardener Gone Wild, the person and the YouTube channel.